Hello again, it's Bony Tony here. Yes, there I am, and I'm joined today by Teddy, who doesn't talk. And there you can see behind me my fridge, and it's full of fridge magnets. Now I'm going to talk about holidays. You see, that's why I've got the sunglasses on. But of course, on holiday you need this. You need a bit of suntan cream or spray. So there you are. There's a little bit of protect your nose. So, because the nose can get very red when you're out in the sun. Now, I've got my Munich sunglasses on, and the reason for that is because one of my fridge magnets is from Munich. So there it is, Munich. That's the tower that's quite near, I think it's near the Olympic Village. And another tower I have here is Blackpool Tower. What else have we got? We've got London Underground. Ooh, get my finger in the right place. We've got Berlin, the bear, that is. And we have Sweden. We have that, what's that fish? That fish is Split. We have Portobello Road, London. We have Scotland. We have, here's an interesting one. Oops, just dropped it. Just breaking them now. Can you see this one? Odessa, an Odessa fish. And then we've got the statue of David from Florence. Got Amsterdam. It's good, isn't it? Let me just hold it a bit better. Amsterdam. We have got, I can't show you really, I can't take some of these off because they're that's Stockport Hat Museum. We've got the Vatican City. We've got Glasgow. Oh, that's a good one. You don't really need sun cream for that, do you? And we have Lisbon. We have Vatican City. We have, what's that one there? Tirana. And below it, Albania, because I've been there a couple of times. And yeah, Manchester. And any more good ones? Elvis, Graceland. Rue de Rivoli, Paris. The Laurel and Hardy statue in Ulverston, northwest England. Venice. Iceland, there's a good one. Can you see a map of Iceland? What's that one there? Belfast. Yes. And Morocco. There's Athens, the Parthenon. Hamburg. The Vikos Gorge in northwest Greece, just before you get to the border with Albania. Bratislava. Luxembourg. I love Luxembourg. What else haven't we seen? A recent one, this, a Palermo, Sicily fridge magnet, because they have these funny, they have male and female kind of kings. They have a king and a queen, I think, and they have all these funny hats, and you see them everywhere. Oh yeah, Bucharest, Romania. Anything else? What's that? Right, I'm gonna leave it there. This is itching. So there's a tour of my fridge magnets. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you. You see, I picked up the sun. It's been sunny recently, so I've got a bit brown. So I've got some. Always put some suntan cream on your skin before you go out in the sun, because otherwise you'll get burned. That's Bony Tony's advice. What, have you got anything to add, Teddy? No, he doesn't really talk, does he? So that's a tour of my fridge magnets, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.